Transitioning into a new school year. Tips and strategies to have a smoother start. Number 1, communication. It's important to keep an open line of communication with your child, not just throughout the school year, but before it as well. Talk to your child about their feelings and concerns regarding the upcoming school year. Create an open and supportive environment where they feel comfortable discussing any anxieties they might have. If speaking about them is too hard, have your child write their words or try to draw them out. Explain that talking about how they feel is important and shouldn't be hidden away. Number 2, establish a routine. Transitioning from a more relaxed summer schedule to a structured school routine can be challenging. Gradually reintroduce a regular sleep schedule and meal times a couple of weeks before school starts to ease into the routine. According to research, establishing a consistent wake-up time for children is significantly more challenging than establishing a consistent bedtime. Therefore, lots of time and patience is required. Number 3, organize. A new school year means a new school supply list. Help your child organize their school supplies, backpack, and any required paperwork well in advance. This prevents last-minute stress and ensures they're prepared on the first day. It seems that every year, more and more items are added to the list. Make sure your child has a place for each item. If each item has a place, nothing should get lost. Notebooks go in the backpack, pencils belong in the pencil box, crayons and markers should reside in their own boxes as well. It might also help to label the items with your child's name. And of course, always make or use the checklists. Number 4, practice problem solving. Discuss potential challenges your child might encounter and help them brainstorm solutions. Where's the bus stop? What if they can't find their class? What is their school schedule like? By doing this, it can empower them to handle difficulties that may arise during the school year. Number 5, teach time management. It's important to teach your child the concept of time and the concept of being on time. No, we don't mean teaching them how to tell time. The teachers can do that. We mean teach them how to manage their time wisely so they can prioritize and get their work done whenever it is due. Number 6, stay patient. Understanding that adjusting to a new school year takes time. Be patient and offer your support as your child settles into their new routine and builds relationships. They might have an amazing first couple of days, then get thrown into a funk as their work starts to build up. This is when good communication comes into play. Letting your child know you are there for them in the good times and the bad will help them become more resilient. Remember that each child is unique, so tailor these tips to fit your child's personality and needs. Your presence, understanding, and encouragement can make a significant difference in helping your child have a successful start to the new school year.